Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to put a meeting on the Google Calendar. So we'll go ahead and type in, up here, calendar. We'll go ahead and pick a day and a time, put it right here. And these are essentially all the options that you have. You can name the meeting, meeting one. You can set a time. You can add guests to this. So these would be all contacts you have in your email book. You can add a description of what the meeting will entail. Call it assignment 1. And you can add Google Meeting to you can add a video conference to it as well, and it'll put a link on there. And when you press it, it should look at me. Hi, here we go. Hi. So that is how you, hold on. I'm going to go back to the calendar. Yeah. I'm going to go back and press save. And this meeting right here is set up. And if you want to join the video conference, just press that, and everybody's hooked up.